need to find zone. Okay, turn to M15. Just mark first. Okay, this is first zone. We can try send. If breakout, this is second cell. This is first cell. If breakout, this is third cell. Until 50 pips. 50 pips. Confirm. Until 100 pips. Potential more than this pips. Okay. Save screenshot. So please do not entry in white zone. Don't entry here. Entry here. If breakout this zone, we can entry here. If breakout, solid breakout, solid, okay. Solid breakout, can entry. Okay, this is just for gold. Okay, enough for gold. Just okay. Return to maybe GJ. You can. Okay, this is for currency. This is my suggestion is if you have $100 or $50. This is your strategy, okay? Just trade currency. Okay, first, I want you guys find RSS, SRR. Okay, this is my confirmation. And then, find how to mark zone. Okay. Okay. From monthly. Analyze from monthly, from higher time frame until the lowest one, which is M1, 1 minute. Okay, this is high time frame. Support already breakout, solid. This is breakout, solid. Okay, this is pullback. So potential is going down. Okay, for UK. This is example. If you want try trade currency, okay, just mark how to mark zone. Okay, first, just mark this support. How to entry at high time frame. How to get entry, how to get sharp entry, zero floating. Okay, listen carefully, and I want you guys record how I'm mapping. Okay, from monthly, turn to daily, turn to weekly. Okay, weekly clears breakout. Just mark support and support. Okay, clear. Okay, turn to daily. Okay, if you want sell, just find resistance fresh. Okay, this is first. This is second. Okay, how to mark zone? How to mark this zone? Okay, this is first find this one and this one for sell. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. Okay, this is daily zone. Daily. Okay, how to entry? Okay, we need to precise until the lower time frame. Okay, this is daily, turn to H4. Okay, this is H4, turn to H1. Set up zero floating. Maybe. Okay, can. Okay, find this zone until F5 if you want. Find zero risk zone. Just precise time frame until lower, until last. And check M15, M5, and M1 to get sharp entry. You can use big lot size, maybe 1.00 for account $500 or because this is zero floating, okay? So just don't worry about it. Okay, we turn to H4. Okay, we need to see zero float or not. Okay, zero float. Okay, floating maybe around 4 pips. So you can layer, and price going down until around, okay, 60 pips. If we, okay, from this one, okay, 64 pips. Okay, this is how I find zone to low risk zone. Okay, for direction, gold still sell. Okay, if you want buy, just buy here. If you want buy, you can just buy here. Reason simple. This is resistance. H4, okay. Already breakout. This is breakout. So potential going down until this one. Okay, potential RSS will be to be. Okay, this is RSS potential. Maybe next week. Maybe next week. Okay, how to second entry? How to second entry? Okay, still I don't have any confirmation because this is candle momentum from this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So don't have. So just wait. Attention in this 100 pips. Okay, next pair is maybe GU, GBP USD. Buy or sell. Okay, monthly. Okay, just use line chart. If you follow my style, just use line chart. Easy to use. Okay, just mark support. Confirm touch. Okay, already touch. Already touch the zone buy. So maybe. Okay, fine in this area. Okay, this one already hit. Okay, this one already hit. So we need to find around here. I can fix all. Okay, this is zone by zone cell. Simple. Okay. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay, direction. Just find direction first, and then just find confirmation for entry. Simple trading is simple. Okay, if you still not join back to basic, please join now. It's free. It's free. No fees. Just join for the experience. Just follow me around until end of this year, and then your trading will be going smooth. Okay, that's all. I hope you guys understand. But before this, I want to ask you, you guys understand or not? Okay, wait. I don't know. We're chatting. On fire, wash me through. Okay, you can understand or not? Zero float or not? Zero floating or not? On fire, wash me through. Okay? Forex trader scam. The fuck? Spoil. Forex trader is fucking. Guys, please report. Please report. Report scammer. Report scammer. Okay, GG. GG flat. Okay, GG for GG. Okay, please explain. Okay, sorry, not today. Not today. I will explain at back to basic only. How I mark zone, how entry, how to get zone, how to find direction, how to find fresh resistance. Actually, fresh S and R. This is deep analysis. Deep analysis. I will not share in public. Okay, just for back to basic group, I will explain. Okay, now you know how to find zero floating, right? How to find zero floating zone, how to use big lot size, how to full margin. Okay, now I want everyone just deposit for tomorrow. Please deposit big account, okay? This is minimum trade for gold. I want everyone flip until 1,000. I want everyone by Friday next week. Share result to me. I want everyone have $1, $1,000. Okay? Simple. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Hakim Balok. What the fuck? Okay, Hakim Balok. Report. Okay, feedback. I want you guys share feedback. What you learn from me. Zero floating zone. I want you guys share. No copy trading. No copy trading. If you have 100k USD, I will 100k USD. You can talk with me. But for now, no. I want share signal. I want everyone make money. No copy trading. Okay. Please don't. This is. If you lazy, you can find another guru, another trader for using for doing copy trading. For now, I just want help you, okay? How to find zone, how to use RSS, SRR. I want everyone flip your money, flip your bank account money, your saving, and I want everyone join back to basic and always happy with me, okay? Zero float, zero float, zero float. Okay. Yeah. I don't care where I am, but I want everyone know how to get zero floating, how to flip your money. I want everyone success, okay, in trading. Please, just focus for trading. Bitcoin, crypto will crash. Just trust me. Okay. I want find song. Hold on. Okay, this song is named Hold On, okay? Okay. Please PM admin to join. Okay, I want you guys share feedback what you learned from me today. Mapping, free mapping. Is good or not? Zero floating or not? Zero float or not? Is good or not? Easy or not? Easy to mapping or not? Easy to entry? Easy? Okay. Next week have big Zoom, okay? I want to share about layer, martingale layer. Topic is martingale layer. Okay, share feedback, guys. Share feedback. I love zero float. If I could walk the world on fire, I would. If I could set the moon on fire, watch me shoot. But keeping up appearances is the first thing taught in school. Think I got my life all sorted, the world's cool. I'm not easy to be around, but it's not easy to live without a wall that breaks, familiar face, a safe place. Hold on, you don't have to hold on, the same boat and that's enough. Can't you see? Okay, this is also zero floating setup for Bitcoin, but I don't buy. I want wait until BTC around 11k US dollar. 10K. I will buy at Huobi or Binance. Story, and we both know, baby, the truth is never pretty. But I'm scared as how you won't like what you see. Are you sure? Are you ready for the real me? I know it's easy to be around, but it's not easy. Where GJ? Where GJ? Another way. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Rush me through. Okay, this maybe potential GG will sell. This is support, right? Potential not breakout. If break this zone, will be buy zone. Okay, this is selling zone. If break, just buy. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The wind blew up her bed up down the moonlight. Soon made a well run rum. The very much sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Recording stopped.
The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the whaleman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. Hands to the straight harping and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the whaleman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. No rain was cut, no whale was freed. The captain was not of greed. No. He belonged to the whaleman's creed. He took that ship in tow. Soon may the whaleman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave Eric, please. Will you post the video of the recording? No. Please, Eric. Okay, Eric. I hope you can understand. Okay, potential GG. Send. Maybe send. But still have this zone, and this zone. Still fresh, and this zone also fresh. Oh. Okay, I want you guys just hear. I want to sing a song. Okay. Don't go tonight. Stay here one more time. Looking like you shine. And let's fall in love one more time. Need you now. One last time. It tears me up when you turn me down. I'm begging, please, just stay around. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Oh, tell me just your love is gone. Just your love is gone. Guys, can you guys share last feedback, please? Last feedback. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm sorry. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone. That your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone. Just PM admin, okay? If you want to join back to basic group, okay? There goes my heart beats, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come now. There goes my mind racing, 'cause you are the reason, and that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I've climbed every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you. Fix what I'm broken. Oh, I could try. Okay, last song. I will end this Zoom, okay? Let's match SOT Studio with your voice. Seriously. Maybe this last song. This song is